It is Tax Tip Tuesday. It's a new series we are starting to help you get started with the tax tip season. And this morning we are joined by Kinney, who came in. Thanks so much for getting up early and coming in for us.
Yeah, thank you.
And you're with PorterKinney, and we're just talking about this is going to be obviously your guys' busy season. Everything's gearing up. Everyone's getting excited for potential tax returns. So first off, what should you know when you start filing your tax returns?
Sure. So the tax season really starts going about in another couple of weeks. So the IRS has told us they're going to start accepting returns January 23rd. So we can't really start submitting before then, but we can start to gather your tax information. If you get those W-2s, 1099s, mortgage interest statements, all those fun things start hitting your mailbox in the next couple of weeks. So you'll want to keep an eye out for those and not shred them with the other junk mail.
Right, and hopefully you keep a hold of that all year long, all those important documents in one place. So it's kind of easy for you guys or whoever is preparing the taxes or helping you out that they can just kind of take over everything there. So next of all, how can we get our refunds faster? I feel like that's a common question. We're always kind of want, need. So what can we do to make that come a little bit quicker?
Sure. So really there's two main things to get refunds faster. One, you want to electronically file your tax return versus the old paper method. And then two, if you set up your refund for a direct deposit, the IRS has stated that they feel like they can return 9 out of 10 refunds within 21 days or less if you do those two things. One thing to know for this year that's new is if you have a tax return that has additional child tax credits or the earned income credit, they've actually kind of put a hold on those returns until after February 15th. So a lot of filers that might be used to getting refunds faster, they're doing that in an effort to combat tax return fraud. So if you have those credits on your return, which are pretty common, you might be getting that refund in the second half of February at the earliest this year.
All righty, well thank you so much for joining us this morning.